The first Filipino inventor of Spanish era period is Juan Solozabal. In 1920, it was founded in Gupuzcoa, a company called El Casco, whose main activity was the manufacture of revolvers. From 1929 and due to the global economic crisis, this company had to be restructured. As a result, in mid-30s, its founders Juan Solozabal launched into market a device made to hold the common documents kept in loose leaf. It was such a success that we all know no office desk in the world does not have a stapler. The second Filipino inventor of American composed era period is Agapito Flores. He invented the fluorescent lamp. No one knows who initially proposed the notion that Agapito Flores, a Filipino electrician who lived and worked in the early 20th century, invented the first fluorescent lamp. In spite of evidence that disproves the claim, the courtesy was waged for years. Some proponents of the tale have gone so far as to suggest that the word fluorescent was derived from the Flores last name, but considering the verifiable history of fluorescent and the subsequent development of fluorescent lighting, it's clear that the assertions are fake. During the Marcos era period, I don't have research about the Filipino inventors of this era. But in this era, Philippines is capable of developing its own missile, called Project Bongbong 1 and Bongbong 2. Based on the results of the test conducted, the optimum preheat sequence time was found to be 20 seconds. The fuse detonation performance was 100% for all the dynamic tests of the development phase. All the problems and difficulties previously encountered during the experimental phase have been eliminated. With regards to the establishment of firing table for the weapon system, since December 1972, a series of 37 dynamic tests were conducted on the 108mm rocket. All the tests were performed at Caballo Island except for 4 firings, which were conducted in Fort's Magsaysay. The third Filipino inventor on the Fifth Republican period is Gregorio Y. Zara. Gregorio was a Filipino engineer and psychic best remembered for inventing the first two-way video telephone. Zara's video telephone invention enabled the caller and recipient to see each other while conversing, laying the foundation for video conferencing. And also, we have the 3 advanced technology, which is the artificial intelligence, 3D printing, and computer vision. 3D printing or additive manufacturing is the construction of a 3-dimensional object from a CAD model or a digital 3D model. It can be done in a variety of processes in which material is deposited, joined or solidified under computer control with material being added together.